Eye-catching, fun and versatile, the SuperSport is a sport road bike that, wherever it's ridden, channels the energy and excitement of sport riding. From weekend roads to everyday roads, from city streets to twisting country highways. With a comfortable riding position, a dry weight of just 184 kilograms and the impressive performance of the testosterone 11 degrees engine, every ride becomes an opportunity to indulge your sporting instinct. Wherever, whenever, the SuperSport makes every motorcyclist a real rider. Whichever road you take, get ready to experience it as never before. The Ducati SuperSport is the bike for those eager to ride sports style on everyday roads. Fun and versatile with true Ducati sports styling and zest, the SuperSport makes riders feel like racers every day. The Ducati Design Center has come up with a dynamic, polished, visually compact, light machine with strong Panigale superbike overtones, a Ducati to the core. A lean and mean road machine, the SuperSport has an approachable feel thanks to easy handling, the confidence-inspiring Ducati safety pack, ABS Splash Plus Ducati traction control, the awesome price-quality ratio of the equipment and the long maintenance intervals.